Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. So, I am very excited to take you guys through this journey of making a cohort set. So, I had to go on a girls' trip to Delhi and I wanted to wear something exclusive and not Zara, of course. No H&M, no Zara. I think I've started forbidding the brands for the reason that you find literally everybody wearing the same outfit. So, I started doing my own custom wear designs for some special trips, and this was my all girls trip. And how can you not have pink in an all girls trip? So I bought approximately 4 meters of cloth, and this is what the design looks like. You just saw how I sketched it, and let me show you the final result. Well, here's the final reveal. So it was made in a halter neck form with V-neck and white buttons. This is the detailing. The subtle white and pink definitely are making a mark, and I kept my accessories very minimal with it. Well, this is what the back looks like. It is very different from its usual self. This is the full look of the outfit. I feel it looks so chic and can be worn up or down. It can be worn out for a formal occasion and for a girls' brunch, just like I did. So, this is a closer look at it. This is a closer look at the back. It was exactly done like the way I wanted it to be done. I feel this outfit is just beyond perfect. It is going to be my staple this summers. Plus, the material is cotton, so it's very smooth on the skin in this hot weather. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on outfit from scratch. Well, don't forget to follow me on all my social accounts, and I'll see you very soon. Please don't forget to subscribe. Much love. Bye.